morning, YouTube. It's 7:35. I've been here, I think, like at 6:50. I got a message from a regular customer, Joe, who fishes like all the time down the shore in Ocean City. He's like, "Hey man, I'm trying to go fishing. I just got a flat tire at the shop." I said, "I will be." So the tire was so destroyed, there was no saving it. So I went back into our used pile tire, and I had a 16, and it was close enough just to get him on his way. And he's like, "Hey, what do I owe you?" I said, "We'll settle up the next time you're in for tires." And he's like, "You know, I buy tires at Firestone because they have a killer road hazard warranty." And I said, "Well, whenever you come in for something else, we'll work it out." And I said, "Just keep in mind, Firestone's not going to be here, not going to answer your call at 6:50 a.m. They're not going to open the shop at 7 o'clock to come take care of you." I said, "You ain't getting that customer service nowhere, Joe." That's the difference between big box stores and mom and pops, especially when you have a good relationship with the owner who lives close by. This is 100% the best customer service.